Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Amazon KDP payment into your payment account, into your bank account. Now, before you start with the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, it helps me out a lot. So you have two different ways. So when will you actually get paid? So to learn how you will get paid, so you will, if you met the royalty threshold, you will get paid on end of March, April, May, June. So basically on the end of every month. It usually takes 1 to 5 business days for direct deposits, for wire payment 5 to 10 days. Now, if you're thinking, is there a minimum payment requirement? Only wire and check payments must acquire a minimum amount of royalties through the sales of your books. Now, it doesn't necessarily say how much. Oh yeah, there it is. So you have for Amazon.com 100 USD, Co UK 100 euros, and etc. And for the check, these are the minimum thresholds. And if you're wondering what are some payment options, as mentioned, you have direct deposit, wire transfer, check, and the other ones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.